Here's a quick video to show you how to put together your IKEA KALLAX shelving unit. It's really simple to do. Right here we have the 4 walls of the unit. Over here we have the different shelving pieces. The whole thing is put together by these 8 screws right here. There's an Allen wrench that comes with the kit right here, but I'm going to tell you, this little tool right here will make life so much easier. It's an Allen wrench, but in the shape of a screwdriver. Makes it a whole lot easier to put together along with all your other IKEA furniture. Check the link below, I got you covered right there. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay out the 4 outside pieces. Got the bottom, top, and the 2 sides here. It's easy to tell the bottom because when you flip it over, you'll see that the bottom side is not finished. Then you have the top up here, and then you have extra holes in the side pieces because that's where the shelving is going to connect to. Where we're going to start now is here in this corner. We're going to attach the side piece to the bottom piece. Now that we have the bottom connected with the side, we're going to take these 3 shelves here and we're going to place them using these wood pegs. We'll just use the hammer and gently tap them into place. All right, now that we have these 3 shelves coming up off the bottom, we're going to take this long shelf that's going to run horizontally on the shelving unit and place it in. You can see over here for the wood pegs, we're going to slide those into that. Once we get that in, we're going to take wood pegs that go completely through these holes here. There's 6 of them, and they go straight into the shelves right here. Now you can see the first box is in. You can see that the wooden pegs are sticking through here. We're going to attach these shelves to that. We're going to put another longer piece down and do the same exact thing 2 more times right here. The shelf is starting to take shape. We're going to add 3 more of the small shelving pieces right here. Now we're going to add, after we do that, we're going to add the top piece that goes along right here. All right, now we're going to align this top piece right here with the pegs here, and then we're going to screw it in to the side. Now the final step is we're going to add 2 pegs here, here, and here. We're going to add this other side piece and screw it into the top and screw it into the bottom, and we're going to be all done. And there you have it, your IKEA KALLAX shelf system. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.